What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and this video is going to be on how you guys can make a lot more money doing retail arbitrage. When I say a lot, guys, I literally mean a lot. So if you have a small budget right now trying to do retail arbitrage, this is going to, put you forward. If you have a decent amount of money right now, this is literally going to, skyrocket you. And if you have a lot of money, you're just going to be like fantastic. So everybody doing this in retail arbitrage can really benefit from this little method right here. I actually was going to have it just for the Team DeAngelo members, but I was like, you know what? Let's let everybody eat. You know what I'm saying? Not to mention it's not like a really difficult method or anything along those lines. Is that a lot of people just don't do it, or just haven't thought about it, right? So last night I was out doing some retail arbitrage at Home Depot, and this guy literally just comes up to me out of nowhere and was like, "Hey, do you want to buy this gift card? I'll give it to you for 50% off." So I'm like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? So we go up to the cashier, and I'm thinking like, okay, worst thing that can happen is that it doesn't work and I just got to pay full price. Best case scenario is that I'm literally going to get, $100 off this order here. Off this purchase or whatever. So basically, I had, he went and swiped his card or whatever. Everything went through. Then I went and paid, and then, I gave him his $100, and that was it. So basically, got a $200 gift card, paid $100 for it, got $100 for free, and then, we just went our separate ways. Like, that was it. Very simple stuff. And depending on what type of not type of store you go to, this can happen to you frequently. Like personally, this happened to me a few times going into Home Depot. I'm always at Home Depot because, I literally just bought this house or whatever. So there's like always upgrades I'm doing, and all type of stuff. I always need something for it or whatever. But yeah, for that part, that's pretty much it on that, So what you guys got to do is go over to Craigslist, Facebook groups, OfferUp, stuff like that. So that's basically what got me going about this. I was like, okay, if he's willing to give up 50% off, I was like, this is when I really started doing the retail arbitrage stuff. Like, there are a lot of other people who would also do this too. So that's when I went on Craigslist, and I started finding a crap ton of people. Went into Facebook groups, found a crap ton of people. Also, don't just push enter when you type in the gift cards, because then you're going to be brought up with a lot of this housing stuff here. And, you might just think that it's not like working in your area or there's no gift cards or whatever. It means that you're just, doing the housing when you should be doing for sale only. All right. So you can make one of these posts here to be like, sell me your gift card, and then you can like even message those people and just like, hey, I got a $100 gift card for Walmart. And then you can just see how much money they'll, give versus, what you're going to give. Right. So let's say someone's looking to sell a gift card, and, they go message this person here and be like, hey, I'll give you $60, and then they come to you and be like, okay, well, how much will you offer, right? And you can be like, oh, I'll give you $65, or give you $63 or $62. It's better than $60, right? Then also over here is you're gonna find a lot of gift cards. Against like this one right here, Walmart gift card, $360 for $320. Not bad at all, right? And then you can even shoot them something like $290. Like, hey, I got $290 cash right now. I got $300 cash right now. The worst thing they can say is no. No, I can't do that. Sorry. Okay, no problem. I'll be over. I can still meet you for the 320. That's it. That's all. That's literally that. Only thing they can say is no. If they're willing to sell a Walmart gift card, for cash, they're normally like they need something or whatever. You can use that to your advantage. And if it's been up for a few days, they're probably ready to get. The longer it's up there, the quicker they're going to want to get rid of it. Now, obviously, you always want to make sure the money is on the card before handing over any money. So you take the card from them, well, not take, but you get the card from them, whatever. You call the back of the card, then you scratch off the numbers, make sure everything is all legit on the card or whatnot, and you're going to be pretty much good to go. Meet in a public place, all that fun stuff. If possible, meet at the store that it actually says is, that is from. So if you're buying a Walmart gift card, try to meet at a Walmart. Go inside the Walmart and let the Walmart employee tell you, yeah, there's X amount of dollars still on the card, or buy something and then check the receipt and see how much money is left on the card. And oh, okay, sweet, here you go, and you're good to go, right? Now, again, you're going to find a lot of them with the Home Depot. Like, look at this one right here, right? Dude wants $900 for a $1,600 Home Depot gift card. Now, you're going to see a lot with Home Depot because basically if you lose your what's it called, your receipt, you're pretty much SOL, right? And a lot of people don't keep up with their receipts and stuff like that. And some people don't use the same card or whatever the case may be. Basically, if you don't have the card that you used to make the purchase or the receipt, you can't get your money back in cash, right? So it's not like how Walmart, at least some of them anyway. Walmart, you can literally go in there with anything and just get cash back, and that's a good thing, as you can see, because you're going to be able to get a lot of gift cards with very, 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 very deep discounts or whatnot. So yeah, that is pretty much it on this end over here, guys. Literally just go over here and just look. Now, what I don't recommend buying is dollar per dollar, right? Don't buy dollar per dollar. There's no point, right? You're literally not, there's no benefits to that at all. Like, hey, I got $100 gift card, and I'll give it to you for $100. No, have a nice day. Like, I mean, there's no point in doing that. Like, do not buy cars that are dollar per dollar. You might as well, if anything, you might as well just go and go to the store and use your money. I mean, it's literally the same exact thing. You're not getting any benefits for that, right? Now, this other store here, I mean, well, not the store, but this other site here that you guys can use is called cardcash.com. And then for Facebook, just want to throw this in here real quick. For Facebook, basically, guys, what you want to do is, basically just go to the buy sell now group, stuff like that. Hey, I buy discounted gift cards, or if anybody has any discounted gift cards, make sure you say discounted, because you don't want people to hit you up like, hey, I got a $50 gift card, I'll give it to you for $50. Like, again, no dollar per dollar stuff. I mean, there's no point in doing that. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Go to the Facebook groups, just basically post that you have something for sale, or search the Facebook groups or whatnot to see if they have any gift cards in there already. You can also try OfferUp, Let Go, stuff like that. In my area, I didn't really see too many gift cards or whatever, at least for any of the stores that I shop at. I bet it could be completely different in your area, so just look. All right, so this store here is called cardcash.com, and basically what this one is you just buy gift cards or whatnot. All right, so it really just depends on how you look at stuff or whatnot, because for this here, it's like you're not saving a lot of money if you're spending a little bit of money. Like, if you're spending a little bit of money, this really isn't going to be too helpful for you. But I mean, if you're spending like $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, stuff like that, I mean, that adds up really quick, And even if you're spending a little bit of money, this will add up in the long run. I know just a lot of people like 10% off, and they go see a $20 one. Oh, I'm only going to get $2 off. But it adds up, guys, right? So let's say you find like this one right here, right? Let's say we buy $1,000 worth of these right here, because they got 54 in quantity. Let's say we buy $1,000 worth of these. We get 7.5% off. That's going to be $75 off that we're going to get, right? That's better than nothing. If we're going to go to Lowe's and spend $1,000 anyway, I'd rather get $75 off, or have an extra $75 to spend, right? You know what I'm saying? So just spend the money, guys. I mean, like, if you're gonna spend the money, then you might as well buy a gift card and get more money off. You know what I'm saying? But that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys liked it. Hopefully this helps you make a lot more money in your retail arbitrage business. But again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you got any questions, simply drop them down below.